In difficulties and low tides, we are often shrouded in the shadow of loss and pain, but have you ever stopped and listened to the subtle and warm voice inside? That's an unextinguishable light, waiting to be awakened by you. By reconnecting the light in your heart, you can find strength from pain and move towards the future of hope under the guidance of wisdom. There is an indelible light in everyone's heart. It may be darkened by setbacks, but it has never really been extinguished. This light symbolizes our innocence and infinite possibilities. When you stop resisting the external pain and turn to exploring inward, you can see the light that has not left. Suffering is not the end of life, but a new starting point. Only by finding strength from the heart can we break through the difficulties and stand up again. Just like a tree that has been weathered by wind and frost, its roots will be deeper and stronger. The same is true for the soul. Only by growing up in the wind and rain can we get closer to the true power within. The inner light is the best guide to cross the darkness. Pain is not an enemy but an opportunity for us to learn to be aware of and let go. When you let go of persistence, you can get rid of the shadow of the past and usher in a new hope and freedom. Trying to look at yourself and others with compassion and accept the imperfections in life is the key to freedom. When the mind is no longer entangled with the past, it will find its own direction again. Embrace the present and let the light shine into every corner. Hope is not far away, but in every time you accept and let go. Freedom does not come from the change of external conditions, but from the breakthrough of inner state of mind. Accommodate your own vulnerability and imperfection. Just like the surface of the lake is blurred by fluctuations, only when it calms down can we see the truth at the bottom of the water. If you learn to coexist with inner fear and look at yourself with compassion, you can find the dawn of freedom in the dark. Freedom is not to escape, but to face everything in life bravely and find your own answers from it. True freedom comes from the relief of the soul, not from external possession. In fact, the light in our hearts has never left us. When the external noise recedes, when you are willing to let go of your obsession with the past and anxiety about the future, the light will emerge naturally. The light does not need to be searched. It already exists in the depths of our hearts. The key to inner awakening lies in the current experience. Embrace yourself at the moment, and don't blame yourself for the regrets of the past, and don't worry about the unknown of the future. This is an unconditional self-acceptance and a true spiritual freedom. The light of the heart, like the dawn, rises from the quiet and emerges from the present. Compassion is the power to transcend pain and the bridge to the inner light. When you learn to look at the world with compassion, the inner hardness and indifference will gradually dissolve, replaced by warmth and acceptance. Compassion is not only love for others, but also tolerance for oneself. It is a powerful courage to look at every challenge in life with gratitude, be gentle with yourself, allow yourself to make mistakes, and allow yourself to cry. When you embrace your vulnerability with compassion, you can also embrace the world with the same mentality so as to discover the beauty of life. Pain is the starting point of wisdom, allowing us to become more complete ourselves in adversity. The existence of pain is not meaningless. It is a reminder of life that allows us to learn to reflect and grow. Everything has cause and effect. When we look at the adversity in life with wisdom, we can regard it as an opportunity for self-sublimation. Try to regard pain as part of practice and learn to find a reason for gratitude in difficulties, and your heart will gradually become soft and tough. When you embrace everything in life with a broad heart, whether it is joy or sadness, it will turn into the power to nourish wisdom.